Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Para Panchayat to hold special Gram Sabha on Tuesday. Gram Sabha to resolve to dispatch Nigerians from the belt. Points out at a restaurant as their den. MLA tried informed concerned senior officials about the Nigerian ruckus before it started. All ignored, reacted late, reveals Michael Lobo. Nigerians stay in Goa without any checks. CM says Nigerians' deportation not an easy task. Defends Goa police for their action during ruckus. Newly appointed PSI under scanner in connection with Nigerian murder case. CM says PSI was due for training but at present kept on hold. And Belgaum Panchi route via Anmod Ghat to be blocked on Tuesday. Blockade by Belgaum farmers, banned to affect goods and passenger transportation. Now the news in detail. Para Sarpanch and wife of Kalangut MLA, Delilah Lobo, has said that a special Gram Sabha on Tuesday will resolve to dispatch Nigerians from the belt. Sarpanch also alleged that a particular restaurant has become a den of Nigerians at Parra. The owner of the restaurant has claimed that she is running the outlet legally. Owner also cleared that a Nigerian scuffle with an unknown person did not happen in her restaurant on Wednesday night. Nigerians' issue will be taken up during the special Gram Sabha on Tuesday at Para Panchayat. Sarpanch Delilah Lobo has said that Gram Sabha will resolve to make Para a Nigerian-free place.
So many letters we wrote, only 2 people came forward and gave their details. None others gave. What has happened lately is actually a blessing in disguise for Parra. We have called a special Gram Sabha tomorrow, Tuesday at 10:30. To only discuss about this Nigerian issue. In the Gram Sabha, I am going to pass a resolution to send, because all these people, whoever have rented out their places, have not changed the status. They have not asked any guest house license from the Panchayat. They have illegally kept. So, I am going to write a letter to them to vacate those rented rooms to these Nigerians, whomever they have given. All these people, whoever have rented out, they have extended their houses without taking any permission, no TCP license, no Panchayat license. Then don't blame the Panchayat that we are coming and issuing a demolition order against you. And I will tell all my ward members to keep a very strict vigil. So watch, whoever are keeping, to let me know.
Sarpanch has pointed out at a particular restaurant in Parra as a den of Nigerians.
There is one bar and restaurant in the name of Catty Chris Bar and Restaurant, which is running in Brito Ward in front of St. Anthony Chapel. This is a main spot where all these people who are staying on rent, at night they come over there. That is the syndicate, like they come together, and there is the dealing takes place, like who should go where. We inform the police comes and they disperse the crowd. Next day again they are there.
The owner of the restaurant claims that her restaurant is her bread and butter and not a syndicate of Nigerians.
बाबा ते जालां ते आमच्या रेस्टॉरंटान जावना भायल्यान जाला. ओके, रस्त्या भायल्यान आवाज येयलो म्हाका ठा ठा ठा. हांवें पुलिशेक फोन मारलो आनी एका पुलिशेक फोन मारलो आनी बेगीन धाडा म्हटलें गाडयो. हें 12 पासून म्हजें रेस्टॉरंट चालू आहा. हेच्या वयर म्हाज्यान रावंक जायना, कित्याक म्हाका गव्हर्मेंटाक चीट करूंक नाका. इतलेंच सांगूंक सोदतां. आनी हांव आमच्या हितून कांयच जावना. जालां पळय तें भायर लोबुवाड्यान जालां ते सायडीक. आनी आमकां काय लायसन ना म्हणून म्हणटा पळय ते सगल्यो फोटी हांव कोणाचे एगेन्स्ट ना. ते कस्टमर बागा डेक येता पळय ते आहात आनी अंजुना कॉफी डे येतात ते भुरगे आमचे कस्टमर ते हांगा येतात.
ओके. आनी इन्सिडंट म्हणटा तुमी रोडार जाल्ले?
वयर ओ ती रस्त्यार धरला. ओ ती रस्त्यार धरला. तो सायकलवालो पावला पळय थंयचोच जाला तो मारीत गेला बाटल्यो फोडीत आनी त्या शॉपाच्या आयल्यान ते पावला पळय थंयसरूय जाला तो बाटल्यो फोडल्यात तेणें. इतलेंच आनी कांय सांगूंक सोदिना.
Bureau Report, Prudent. Nigerians' rampage at Porvorim could have been averted if district collector and police authorities had acted quickly on Thursday morning at Para. Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo says police failed to realize the gravity of the murder and the situation of the scenes of offence. Only a PSI and Havaldar was sent for Panchanama despite of MLA's repetitive request for proper police force. There were only 7 to 8 Nigerians. Initially, within half an hour, hundreds surrounded the deceased and situation turned volatile.
I immediately phoned MAPSA PI, Vernekar. So immediately I rushed to the place and I saw that there is a dead body of a Nigerian. So I phoned 100 and I also informed Vernekar again. So Vernekar said he would send the police. Motorcycle and ek PSI and ek Havaldar yelo. And by the time there were about only 7 to 8 Nigerians over there. And I had told Vernekar that do the Panchanama whatever and take the body away. By the time any Panchanama even start kurcha puile inchani babav kelo Nigerian ani. They came with some lathis and bottles and all everything. I walked away from there looking at just Nigerians pouring in more than 100 zale rockets within half an hour. So 8:30 I बाहेर सरलो. By the time PI and all everybody came over there. It took for them 3 hours. 3 वरां लागली तेंका हे सगळे भासाभास करपाक. तेन्ना हांवें फोन मारलो वेर्णेकर साहेबाक की हे एग्रेसिव्ह जाल्या. तो आसलो थिंगा. हांव घरा येयलो. घरासून फोन मारलो की तूं फोर्स यूज कर, तुजी पंचनामा कर आनी बॉडी व्हर. साबाजी शेटये डेप्युटी कलेक्टर हू वॉज ऑन सायट तेका हांवें मोबायलाचेर फोन मारलो. And I told him, you use lathi charge because these people will not listen to you. But this went out of control. हे Porvorim येदो व्हडली सीन जावची नासली. जो तर पार्रा जेन्ना हांवें सिट्युएशन पळयलें आनी डेप्युटी कलेक्टराकूय सांगलें you use force. I also told PI use force. I phoned SP North. Phone was only ringing, nobody picked it up. But these were the responsible officers, like they could have taken a decision कि लाठी चार्ज जावनी, the crowd would have dispersed. हे आनीक फुडें वयचें नासलें.
Nigerians are staying in Goa without any checks and screening. It is clear from the state of affairs at government level in past 4 days. Moreover, deporting them is a complex task. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar himself is not sure about the time frame needed to deport the Nigerians. He says it's not an easy task. However, he is still firm on his stand that police did their best during the Nigerian ruckus.
Many of these people do not have passport with them. Some of them have Xerox copies. So we are asking the embassy, Nigerian, we will ask the Nigerian embassy whether they can provide copies of it. There should not be any pending criminal charge sheeted case, FIR न्हय. तर FIR जो फायल जाला तर ताका काय अर्थ ना. पण कोर्टान जर तूं केस जाल्ली आसा, चार्ज शीट फायल जाल्ली आसा जाल्यार वी विल हॅव टू टेक परमिशन फ्रॉम द कोर्ट. Then only we can deport them. We are ready to withdraw the cases if we have other documents properly, and we can deport them. We'll deport. Deportation is not such a easy task. या वर्षान जवळ 13 जाणांक कितें आमी ऑलरेडी डिपोर्ट केल्ल्या.
Nigerians in the state at present do not have any valid documents to prove their identity. It has become difficult for government to even carry the probe further.
पुलिशीन अत्यंत सिस्टमॅटिकली क्राउडाक म्हापशा धाडले, थोड्यांक थोडे अंजुना धाडले. ते नायजेरियनांक somehow they managed to send them away from there and they arrested them at that police station. That is strategy of the police. If they had attacked them, they were high. They were from morning they were sitting there in the bar drinking. So they were excited, they were angry. There could have been serious So police took a sort of a action. आता हाजेर कितें आहा, इंडिविज्युअल काही पुलीस भियेत जाले वचपाक तांच्या फुडें. I think it is a known story in Goa that Nigerian मातशे रफ आसतात आनी आमचो पुलीस फिजिकीन मातसो कमी पडटा आता. It's a fact.
The Home Minister strongly backs his police force. He says police officials did their best to control the situation in the Nigerian episode. Nigerians' murder at Para followed by their protest at National Highway is under investigation. CM has assured that the killers will not be spared. However, sources say that killers have left the state soon after the detention. Meanwhile, Goa Police Daily Station report dated 4th November mentioned that complaint has been filed on behalf of state against accused Obinna David Okuma, a Nigerian national presently resident of Asagaon without having valid visa, for stamp of extension of visa. Further, the accused person obstructed and abused the police personnel while executing their lawful duties and was found without having legal driving license riding the scooter. Mahesh Ghadi and Dinesh Karpe for Prudent. One of the newly appointed PSIs has come under scanner in connection with the Nigerian murder case. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has said that the PSI was due for training, but his name has surfaced in this case. Hence, his departure for training has been put on hold.
105 वेकन्सी आम्ही घेतले नाही. ऑफकोर्स 105 होता ना, जे बघा इथं 87 का 86 होता. 87. हां 87. ना एक अनेक कट झालो सो असतो. तो आतून ही गाडी ज्याची आपण तो एक आहे. PSI जसे बघा दिसता.
SP headquarter AK Gawas said that he has no information regarding any such PSI. He said PSIs are going on training as per schedule. However, Gawas made it clear that even if somebody joins training and any such report comes to the fore, later the trainee can be called back. Mahesh Ghadi and Mukesh Kumar for Prudent. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.